Louise. My name is Louise, and today is the 3rd of December, which means I'm opening up the third gift in my Broke Artist Christmas calendar, and I'm really curious to see what this is, so let's just get to the opening. So as you can see, this is a tin of pencils, but I'm pretty sure that's not what's inside. I do know I used a lot of boxes for this to trick myself when I was wrapping all of this. So let's see what's inside. So the snacks of the day, there are two, is these Haribo Pepito candies. One Big Ben toffee with licorice, which I like, and some watercolor pencils in these colors, if you can see that. I got some watercolor paper, and dum dum dum, the most exciting part, the prompt word, which is a clockwork bird. So I think that's kind of a steampunk bird maybe, which is really cool because I really like steampunk, and I think these colors will go great with that prompt, so let's get into it. I don't know if it shows, but this one is a metallic shiny color. So I got my swatches, and this is kind of blending. I think I'm just going to go with it. I'm actually really enjoying this medium. Honestly, I bought these Faber-Castell Albrecht Dürer watercolor pencils. I bought the whole set actually to do custom dolls. But I think it's really cool that I can just kind of control how saturated the color will be before I add the water. The only downside is I think the colors get a bit muted when you add water, but you can use them both ways, of course. And also I really like the fact that I don't have to be as patient as when I'm working with watercolors. I really love watercolors, it's one of my favorite mediums, but I'm really impatient and sometimes it just runs into each other, my colors, and it's not really looking good. So that's what I really like about working with watercolor pencils, and it's honestly my first honest attempt with watercolor pencils, so I'm really liking it so far.